Hi, I'm Georgie Smith from Wilson Partners Real Estate, and we're here today at our latest listing.
I'm Tahli. Come with me and I'll show you around the place. So here we have the beautiful front lounge. We have a
Tahli, don't you think we should start at the front of the property? We're at 27 Melrose Drive in Kilmore, sitting on a 1 acre allotment. You've got the formal lounge to the right, leading through to the dining area, and then of course, the kitchen.
Can I get you guys a drink or anything?
I think we should show them the house first.
Okay.
Where are all the kangaroos? Don't worry, mate, I'll call them.